Good day everyone, I'm Karen from K-Hair. Welcome to my video. And our topic today is how much to start a hair business and it's less than you think. Have you ever thought about starting a hair business but not sure how much capital you need and where to begin? And don't worry, with just around $100, you can own a perfect wig and start your hair business journey. In this video, I will share key tips on finding hair suppliers, avoiding risks, and choosing the right products for beginners. The hair market has been hot until now. Thousands of people are jumping into the hair business every day, and did you know that? How much money you can gain just few months? But we have a problem. This is an extremely competitive field, and if you're slow, you might miss the golden opportunity in this industry. And especially right now is the perfect time to start, because we are entering the biggest sales season of your year, Christmas and New Year. Have you ever wondered why so many people join this market? It's because there is a multi-billion-dollar industry and the trends in hair products are becoming more and more diverse. If you don't act now, you will miss out on your biggest opportunity. But starting a hair business is not easy. One of the biggest challenges for newbies is choosing the wrong hair supplier. Many people make the mistake of sticking with one vendor and putting all their money into that, only to find out later that the hair quality is not good enough, which damages their reputation with customers. That's why you should never invest all your money into just one vendor. Start small with short wigs from 8 to 12 inches, which can cost around $100. These short wigs are easy to sell and maintain. These are perfect for beginners to help you quickly turn over your capital. To find good hair suppliers, you can search on Instagram, website, and other platforms. But don't forget, it's important to diversify your vendors. Get samples from them and carefully check the quality before making any bulk purchases. However, not everyone has the time and money to research each vendor or test the quality of each product. If you want to start right away with a stock that's already been vetted and quality assured, I can help you. Please add my WhatsApp to catch more information on high-quality wigs starting from just $100. Don't waste time endlessly searching. Let me help you get started quickly and successfully in the hair business. Goodbye.